Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, you're going to be talking about how we can, at the same time, install a skin and add the demo, the test content that we see on demo websites. And to do that, I'm going to use this skin from Web Creative as an example. This is a new skin from website creative called Stronghold. Now, just want to give a big thanks to Harry Carter from Websites Creative. He provided me with the skin to try it out, and I also want to say that those guys, they do quite a nice job in regards to skins. I mean, this is not the first time that I use their skins. I have used them a few times already in the past. Their skins are very flexible. And by the way, this is not a paid commercial. I'm not doing a commercial for those guys. I'm just telling you that they do a great job when it comes down to designing skins that are flexible, that can fit many different needs, different colors. So again, they do a great job. I'll just give an example here. One of our sites, 1-800-DNN. This is a site that I put out there a few months ago. This skin is a modified skin from their set. It's one of their skins. So again, great guys. Their skins are very good. And what I want to do in the next few videos, I want to cover the other aspects of this particular skin because it has blog, it has banner, it has a bunch of stuff. But let's start slowly. This first video, I'm gonna go through the installation and how you can get your site, your page to look like their demo. Because here is what sometimes kind of piss me off in regards to skins, is that we see a nice skin, a nice looking skin like this, but when we buy the package and we install a skin, the content is not there. So more than half of the work is setting up content. So again, what I want with this video is to show that, at least in their case, we can set up the skin and then they provide the demo content as well. So we can load that content in the website, and the website should look like, here's their demo site, should look like this. So how can we get from a plain, simple skin that has just the bare bones to having a full page looking somewhat like this, which is their demo? And again, this is what each and every skin provider out there should be doing as well. They should provide the skin and have the demo content together there, because most of the time users get disappointed once they load the skin. They just see that skeleton there, which doesn't look exactly like the demo site that they have saw. So let's see if we can cover that today. So I have already downloaded their skin. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the site. I'm going to log into the backend as admin to be able to install the skin. So you can either log in as host or admin. I'm just going to log in as admin. Should be enough. Actually, no. It should, because this package, we're going to also eventually install a module. So we should be better doing that as host. Yeah. So from here, I'm going to go to host, then extensions, then from extensions, we are going to go to manage, install extension wizard, click browse. I'm going to go to the right folder. And when you buy that package, there are different flavors of that package, and they will come with maybe the banner module, maybe post module, which is the blog module. We're not going to cover that right now, but it also has a manual that you're going to have a quick peek in a second. It has the content package and the installation package, the skin installation package. So at this point, we're going to install the skin on the website. Let's click next. Next, by the way, I have never done a skin review before, so that's the first time that I record a skin review. So let's click next again, accept license, hit next. Everything seems to be fine here. Installation successful, click return. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that jQuery is active in the website. Most likely it is, because I think that comes by default. But let's have a quick peek there. Let's go to host settings. From here, let's see advanced settings, jQuery settings. And you might be better off just checking the option that says use hosted jQuery version. Let's click that one. Let's click update. Okay, so jQuery is active. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just create a new page. I'm not gonna modify any of the standard installation pages. I'm gonna just, actually, there's already a new page here. I'm just gonna reuse that. I'm gonna delete this content. Okay, so we have a brand new page. Now, my intent today, my goal today will be to have this page looking like their demo. Looking like what they have here in their demo. I'm gonna try to simulate as close as possible to what they have here. Now, let's start by applying the skin to this page. Just let's go to pages, page settings. From here, we're gonna go to advanced settings. Sorry, actually, that should be here. Yeah, page skin, it's right here. Let's select the stronghold index. Let's see, yeah, let's see the index one. I'm just gonna click update page. Okay, we have a quick error here. This is because this module depends on the coding stuff menu box module. Sorry, this skin depends on that menu box module from coding stuff. I'm just gonna go to their website. I'm gonna download, I'm gonna post all those URLs in the blog post, in the video post. I'm just gonna download their free menu box. It's a free module that they have. Just gonna save this. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the site, back to host, extensions, and I'm gonna install the coding stuff menu. Install wizard. So let's click browse. I have downloaded already, so it's right here. Just gonna open it, click next. Here is the module, coding stuff menu box. Okay, perfect. So we have installed that module, which is a free module. The URL will be posted in the video post. Now let's go back to the new page and let's have a look how it's looking like now. Okay, perfect. So we no longer have the error. Now we can see that the new skin is showing up, but as expected, there's no content here, of course, because the content is separated from the skin itself. Now, how can we get this closer to what they have here in their demo site? Now it's about the second step, which is we have to get their content package and we have to unload that content in the site itself. So I have here Windows Explorer open. Here is the package that has the content. It's called a stronghold content. I'm just gonna unzip this whole package, and I'm doing that locally because my site is running locally. If I open this folder, there will be 3 other folders. Screenshots, this is just the screenshots for the different pages. See, it's just that. I just opened the first one. So this is just for our own reference here. I'm not gonna be using them. Now, the other 2 folders, I will be using them for sure. Assets and exported content. I'm gonna copy both of those folders. In my case, locally. In your case, via FTP. If you are hosting that in a hosting provider. Now I'm gonna go to my C, inetpub, www root, DNN6, that's this name of my site. I'm gonna go to portals, 0, and I'm gonna just paste that whole content right here. So I'm just gonna click paste, continue. Okay, so assets and exported content is all unloaded. Now let's go back to our site, and to make sure that DNN will recognize those new folders that were created together with the files inside of them, we have to synchronize the database with the file system. To do that, we just have to go to admin, file manager. And here in file manager, we're gonna click recursive and synchronize files. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, perfect, synchronization is done. If I expand this, I will be able to see assets and exported content as well with the different folders. Now, next step. So let's have a look here in our page. Nothing is there yet, but let's start with the logo. Even though I'm sure that you have your own logo, but let's load the same logo that they have here in their demo site, in their demo page. Just gonna do that by going to admin, site settings. Then from here, let's go scroll down, site appearance. Well, actually appearance. Let's select the folder. The logo is located in the assets folder. And from here, there must be something called logo. Perfect. So you can see it right away here. Click update. And now we should have the logo in place. Okay, so we are getting, slowly but surely, we're getting there. This is the end of part 1 of the video on how to load the skin and demo content to your DotNetNuke website.